Hello guys, so today what I'm going to do is to replace these front turn signals with these, which I got today from Rozima, Italy. And yeah, I'll record the process for you and show you how it looks. And wow, I'm excited. These really looks good. These are the ones for that Ducati icon. So these are the tools I'm gonna mainly use, just for you to see. Yeah, I'm not sure I'll need anything else, so that's it. Just want to show you guys how it looks, these packages from Rozima. So after I open it, I have these two items and a service manual here, I guess, and the screws, which I think I'm gonna use the old ones. I'm not sure, so I'll see, because I like it black, so I wanna make my motorcycle black in total. So I'll see about that. Let's just open the next one. Okay guys, I've already started because I was not sure I'm heading the right direction. So I just want to let you know that what I did is I unscrewed the fuel tank screw here, and from the other side also removed the seat, and also unscrewed these two screws here in order for me to lift it up a little bit, and so I can expose all the wires, as you can see here. So I dismounted the front indicator, turn indicator. Now I'm getting it off, and in order to replace it, I'll put the camera somewhere so you can see how it goes. Alright guys, so I'm just gonna show you what I did so far with the indicators. So this one goes first, and then the screw and everything. The way to do it, to tighten it up, is that I found this is the only way to do it. I couldn't fit anything inside it, but I mean it gets tightened enough, so no need for the more tightness from this one. So if you were wondering how to do that, this is the way to do that.